Hey everyone, if you're interested in ChatGPT for free, I've watched all the videos to give you a summary of what works and what doesn't, as well as the methods to get ChatGPT for free and at a lower cost. So for free ChatGPT, to sum up what other videos say, it's simple. You have free access to ChatGPT, you just need to go to chatgpt.com and create an account and you'll get a limited trial. So that's the first type of video, and the second type of video is, in fact, they make you use another tool that's not ChatGPT, actually another AI that's much less effective, and they claim, yes, it's ChatGPT, but it's not really ChatGPT. So basically they make you believe it's ChatGPT, when in reality it's another AI that doesn't work as well. So there you have it. I'm not going to promote the free AI that doesn't work as well because you're looking to use ChatGPT, so I'm just answering the question. To get free access to ChatGPT, you create an account on the chatgpt.com website here, log in, and then you'll be able to use it. But it will be limited. You'll be able to use ChatGPT 4.0. You'll get 5 messages per day or a certain number of messages per day. After that, you'll be downgraded to a less powerful AI and so on until you get blocked, and it basically forces you to pay. And so that's why the method I saw from YouTube creators was basically sharing subscriptions. So there will also be a link in the description with Gamsgo. And instead of paying $20 per month, here it's about $6 per month. So that's 3 times cheaper. Actually, it's a bit more than 3 times cheaper. So if you go for 3 months or for 12 months, there's also a difference of a few cents. There's a promo code for those who want it. So the link is in the description. And the promo code is KVVNY, and that gives you an extra discount on top. So there you go, that's a few more cents off as well. But I haven't found any other ways to get. So ChatGPT completely free aside. So a significant discount of 3 times cheaper. So there you go, if you want these ChatGPTs for cheaper, I hope this video has helped you. You can share it with fewer people if you want. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope this has saved you time instead of stumbling upon videos that are just there to lie to you. Like, get ChatGPT for free. When in reality, that's not possible except for the free daily test thing. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in other videos. Alright, bye everyone!